Today we're talking about the Nuwave 7-piece cookware set. Healthy Duralon blue ceramic non-stick coated aluminum pans, but they also have a steel base, so they're induction friendly. The set includes a 5-quart stock pot with a lid, a 1.5-quart saucepan and a lid, a 2-quart saucepan and a lid, and a 9.5-inch fry pan that shares the lid with the 5-quart pot. They say it's premium forged construction. It's a forged aluminum core, but a stainless steel induction ready plate, and I can attest to it's being able to work. I'll show you the magnet test. Now you can tell if yours will work too. I really like these pans. They're very stylish, but more importantly, they work. They work very well. They're safe for the butane burner that I have. They're safe for the electric oven or stove that I have, but they're also oven safe. They say to keep it at 500 degrees or lower. I don't know why you would be putting them in a hotter oven anyway. Overall, I feel like the build is good. They seem heavy and durable. I haven't had them very long, but I have made these my everyday use pots and pans, and we'll be discarding others that we've used up. Anyway, I recommend these. I like them. I think you'll like them too. As always, thank you for watching.